Good morning to all of you. And we were doing rate measure. Okay, we were doing rate measure in the previous class. We shall continue problems on rate measure. I told you one question carrying 5 marks will be asked in examination in the rate measure. It is a definite question. It's going to come in part D. 1 or 2 marks problems also we should do it. And then now we take first 1 or 2 mark questions, and then we will come to 5 marks question also. Okay. You can take down, find the rate of change of area of a circle, find the rate of change of area of a circle when radius is increasing at the rate of find the rate of change of area of circle when radius is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. When the radius is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, and given that radius is 5 centimeter. Given that radius is 5 centimeter and the rate of increase of, that is when the radius is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, and I have told you already, rate of increase is always plus, rate of decrease is always minus. Now find the rate of change of area of a circle when radius is increasing in the rate of 2 centimeter per second, given that radius is 5 centimeter. First you should write down what is given. Given r is 5 centimeter. I told you, given r is 5 centimeter, and he also says radius is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. That means dr by dt it is 2 centimeter per second. Dr by dt is 2 centimeter per second. See, I told you always any quantity is always with respect to time. Rate measure only any quantity when it is rate of change, it is always with respect to time, except it is specified. Suppose it is specified it is increasing with respect to radius, and then you should not take dr by dt. You should take only the dr, that's all, at the rate of here it is at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, and then it is understood it is dr by dt. When they ask with respect to radius, only you should differentiate with respect to radius. Here it is 2 centimeter per second. Write down given. And what to find out? To find out is dA by dt. He is asking area. He is asking dA by dt, rate of change of area of a circle. He is asking rate of change of area of a circle, that is dA by dt. So area is equal to, you know the formula, area of a circle is a circle. Suppose if they ask area of a sphere, that is different. I gave you all the other day, I gave you all the area, volumes, then this thing also, perimeter, everything I have given you on the other day, because I told you also those are all important for examination. And not only for examination, doing problems also. So area of a circle is pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to t. I told you because we want dA by dt. Otherwise, we have to differentiate. Many times it is always with respect to the time unless it is specified. So dA by dt is given by the formula. dA by dt is differentiated with respect to t. Pi is a constant. 2r into, this is a implicit function with respect to dr by dt. Very important thing. dA by dt when you differentiate is equal to pi into r square is 2r into dr by dt. We are differentiating with respect to the time. So dA by dt is 2 pi r dr by dt is equal to pi as it is. Now here the problem don't put pi 3.1422 by 7 bada. They expect you to keep pi as it is, unless they ask you to prove this much centimeter per second and otherwise Sometimes some problem they give you pi, take it as 3.14 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ, otherwise keep it as it is. 2 into radius is given. Here, what is the radius? 5 centimeter into dr by dt. Radius with respect to the time. Rate of increase of radius they are given 2 centimeter. Write down dr by dt 2 centimeter. Okay, here pi into 2r into dr by dt, 2 into 5 radius and dr by dt 2. This is 2 5 are 10, 10 2 are 20 pi. Here very important one mark for keeping the units, centimeter square. I told you centimeter square per second. Very important thing. So 20 area idre centimeter square per second baribeku, volume idre cubic centimeter per second anta baribeku. Now it is centimeter square per second. Now you can write the rate of increase of area, rate of increase, because positive ide of area is 20 pi centimeter square per second. That's all. It is 20 centimeter square per second, 20 pi centimeter square per second. That is what you are writing there, and you are writing dA by dt. A is equal to so much, pi r square dA by dt, pi into 2r into dr by dt, and pi into 2 into 5 into dr by dt is 2, and 20 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the thing, 20 pi centimeter square per second is the area. Now take another, I suppose you have followed. Idane circumference kottidre, then what we will do, we will take the next problem. But first is, this is with respect to the area we are doing. Now take the next problem. Take the next problem. Find the rate of change of area of a circle when area of a circle, same thing, copy the same thing. Find the rate of change of area of a circle when radius is increasing at the rate of 3.5 centimeter per second. 3.5 centimeter per second when the radius is 10 centimeter. When the radius is 10 centimeter, please change the figures here. Find the rate of change of area of a circle. It may be increasing or decreasing, but here it is increasing plus. So find the rate of change of area of a circle when radius is increasing at the rate of 3.5 centimeter per second. It is 3.5 centimeter per second. So given that radius is 10 centimeter, you change madidini adu. So here you can take radius is 10 centimeter, r is 10 centimeter, and this r dr by dt is 3.5 centimeter per second. This is dr by dt is 3.5 centimeter per second. R is 10 centimeter. Same thing to find out dA by dt enu beku namage, and same thing take this thing dA by dt barkoli. A is equal to pi r square barkoli. Write down same thing, A is equal to pi r square. Differentiate with respect to t up to this you copy. Okay. Pi into pi is a constant, 2r into dr by dt. A is equal to pi r square, pi into 2r into dr by dt. Now here you should be careful while substituting. Pi into, I suppose all of you follow same procedures. Pi into 2 into r. R is this time 10 centimeter into dr by dt 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now this is nothing but, 10 into 3.5. I hope it is 35. You must be knowing it also. So it is 3.5 into 10 is 35. 3.5 into 10, how we multiply 350 point here, 135. 35 into 70, 2 is 70. 70 pi centimeter square per second. Very important thing. 70 pi centimeter square per second. This is 20 into 30.3.5, 70 pi. Okay. So 3.5 into this thing 10 is 350, 35, and this 35 into 2 is 70 pi centimeter square per second. Wrote also 10 into 3.5. So 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2. So 2 5s are 5 7s are 35 also, you can do it. Otherwise, it is 70 pi centimeter. Now you can write the answer here. The rate of increase of area is 70 pi centimeter square per second. Right? Increase of area is 70 pi centimeter square per second. That is area. Area is pi r square, and you have just any figure they can give. When radius is 4.5 centimeter, and r 4.5 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, sorry, dr by dt 4.5 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, radius 12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, same problem, area dA by dt ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, and you get the answer. So these are all sometimes 2 marks, 3 marks also they may ask. Okay, we will take up a different problem from rate of change of circumference we should see. Okay, take down your textbook problem. Take the problem. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of the area of the radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Only when it is radius length adala bari centimeter agutte per second. This is very important. The radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? What is the rate of increase of its circumference? What is the rate of increase of its circumference? The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? What is the rate of its increase of circumference? Given is, see here, write down, given is the radius of the circle. So it is dr by dt. Given that dr by dt is 0.7 centimeter, you may ask me what is the radius, the rate of increase of the, here it is dr by dt ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? r ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, but not necessary. To find out is dc by dt is how much? Circumference ಅಂದರೆ c. Circumference is always denoted by the letter c. Area is denoted by a. Now dc by dt is how much? You know, c is circumference of a circle. You can take down the formula. Circumference of a circle is not pi r square 2 pi r. Now you have to differentiate circumference with respect to the time. That is, differentiate this. When you differentiate, c is equal to 2 pi r. Differentiate with respect to t. T is always, I told you, unless it is specified. What's rate of increase of its circumference? So dc by dt is equal to 2 is a constant, pi is a constant, into r differentiation is 1 into dr by dt. That's all. So this please note. dc, c is 2 pi r. When you are differentiating with respect to t, dc by dt is equal to 2 pi is a constant, or 1, and 2 pi into the differential quotient of r with respect to t is 1 into dr by dt. Now very easy. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ r ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 2 pi into dr by dt ಕೊಡಿ 1 ಇದು. dr by dt is 0.7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So it is 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Yes, it is pi into dr by dt is given 0.7 multiply 2 into 0.7 1.4 pi as it is you keep. You never keep centimeter square per second at the interval, you will lose marks. Area is only centimeter per second, circumference it is only 1.4 pi centimeter per second. That's all. Okay, it's a very important problem. So only dr by dt, you have to find out dr by dt is given 0.7 centimeter. You have to use the formula c is equal to 2 pi r, differentiate with respect to t, substitute for r and dr by dt substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 1.44 centimeter pi centimeter per second. Okay. Now take one more problem of this type. Please take down. I suppose you have copied. Now we will go to the next problem. The radius is increasing at the rate of 1.5 centimeter per second. The radius is increasing, please change the figures. Radius is increasing at the rate of 1.5 centimeter. Next problem, this is per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? What is the rate of increase of its circumference? So you can take dr by dt. Given dr by dt is given dr by dt is 1.5 centimeter per second. To find out dc by dt is how much? Okay. So same thing, c is equal to 2 pi r. dc by dt differentiate with respect to d, 2 pi into dr up to this step. Same thing, 2 pi into 1 into dr by dt. Here it changes. We have to rate dr by dt as 1.5. 2 pi into 2 pi into 1.5, or it is 2 into 1.5, it is 13 into 5, it is 3 pi centimeter per second. It is 3 pi centimeter, pi will be pi centimeter per second. That's all. Here dc by dt matra change agide. We have substituted here. We have found out 3 pi centimeter per second. A stone is dropped. Take down. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Into a quiet lake. Quiet lake. Q-U-I-T. Quiet and the silent lake. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake, and the waves move in circle. The waves move in circle. The waves move in circle at the speed of 4 centimeter per second. So a stone is dropped into a quiet lake, and the waves move in circle at the speed of 4 centimeter per second. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave, move in a circle at the speed of 4 centimeter per second. At that instant, when the radius of the wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast the enclosed area is increasing? Notally problem nodkondu baya patkondu big problem anta. It's not a very big problem, very small problem, very 2-3 lines 5 marks. Let's read the problem again. Please take the problem. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in a circle at the speed of 4 centimeters per second. Waves move in a circle at the rate of speed of 4 centimeters per second. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeters, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? Yes. Now, very easy problem. See here, one lake is there, like this. One lake is there. This fellow is there. This fellow, he doesn't want this lake to be settled. He puts a stone in this. One stone is there. He puts this stone. It is the circular wave. See, when the lake is there silently, if you put a stone into the lake, so our water waves spread out. So silent if you put a stone there, it will start like this. It will start circulating. Our water will circulate. Okay. So if fellow is throwing a stone into a quiet lake, a settled lake again is throwing. Again, the waves andre waves move in a circle. It moves in a circle like this at the speed of 4 centimeters. Always circular waves andre given dr by dt is 4 centimeters per second. See, it is from here stone is dropped and this is the radius. So these waves are moving in a circular wave at the speed of dr by dt 4 centimeters. At that instant, when the radius of the wave is 10 centimeters, the final wave will r is 10 centimeters. What is asking is to find out, given dr by dt kottidane, r kottidane, and what you have to find out is how fast the enclosed area is increasing. How fast the enclosed area andre dA by dt is how much. Very simple. Instead of doing simple problem, radius the radius is increasing at this time statement problem. Please understand. So when a stone is dropped into this lake, the waves move in circular at the speed of dr by dt. Next, the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeters, dA by dt. You know the formula, area of the circle is pi r square. Don't get confused and put 2 pi r. Area is pi r square. Differentiate with respect to t. dA by dt is pi into 2r into dr by dt. Implicit function r is a variable, 2r into dr by dt. Idili pi gottu, 2 gottu, pi don't substitute. R gottu radius, what is the radius? 10 centimeters is there, into dr by dt gottu 4 centimeters. R it is 4, 40, 80. 80 pi, 80 pi centimeters square per second. You should write, because it is area. So you write that the enclosed area is plus the reason. So in enclosed area, write down the enclosed area is increasing at the rate of enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeters square per second. That's all. You should write that 80 pi centimeters square per second. I'll just explain. So when a stone is dropped into a white lake, waves circular waves are increasing at the rate of move in a circle at the speed of 400 dr by dt kottidane, and at that instant ಎಷ್ಟು time r ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ 10 centimeter ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. So find the rate of increase of the area is enclosed area ಅಂದ್ರೆ full area. So it is dA by dt is pi into 2r into dr by dt ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now multiply here 80 pi centimeter square per second. So the enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. It is 80 pi centimeter square per second is the enclosed area. It's a very important problem. And one more question we will take down the problem here. Same thing we can take, same type of problem we can take. A stone, take down. A stone is, shall we go to the next problem? A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in circle. Take down the same thing. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. You take now instead of 4, you make it 5. Please change it here. 5 centimeter per second. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, when the radius of the circular wave is 12 centimeter. You can take this as 12 centimeter. When the radius of the circular wave is 12 centimeter, how fast the enclosed area is increasing? So take down the problem correctly. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 12 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Very easy problem. You can take first dr by dt. What are the given things? dr by dt. A waves move in this radius, so dr by dt is 5 centimeter per second. Idrinda you can find out it is a radius. Per centimeter square is area. This is centimeter per second. And at that instant, the radius of the wave is r is 12 centimeter. He is asking find how fast the enclosed area is increasing. And then to find out is dA by dt is how much? You know that the area is equal to pi r square and dA by dt is pi into 2r into dr by dt. So it is pi into 2r into dr by dt. Pi into 2r into dr by dt, that is pi into 2 into r kottidane, radius is 12 centimeter anta kottidane, and you know that dr by dt also you know what is dr by dt, it is 5 centimeter, so it is actually 24 into 5, 120 pi centimeter square per second. You should write that. In area, you should write 120 pi centimeter square per second, and the enclosed, you can write the answer, the enclosed area is increasing. The enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 120 pi centimeter square per second. You can write that. The enclosed area per second. This is what you have to write. Take a problem and do it in the house. Practice. To take down a stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Same thing. Copy. Wordings all the same thing. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and the waves move in a circle at the speed of. Can take at the speed of 3 centimeter per second. At the speed of 3 centimeter per second. Please change this, 3 centimeter. At that instant, when the radius of the circular wave is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter if you take. When the radius of the circular wave is 6 centimeter, how fast the enclosed area is increasing? dr by dt kottidane, r kottidane, same thing, dr by dt, r kottidane, you find out dA by dt. Plus idre it is increase, minus idre, minus problems baratte amele gottagutte. Okay, understood? This type of question is very important for examination. Okay. Now we should take up, I suppose you have taken the copy of the problem also. We should go to different type of problem. Yes, take this. A balloon take this spelling करके BALLOON. A balloon which always remains in spherical shape, which always remains in spherical shape a balloon which always remains in spherical shape on inflation ಅಂದರೆ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಏರ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ balloons ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಅರಮನೆ ಪ್ಲಾನಸ್ you would have seen hydrogen ತುಂಬಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ and that goes negative ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. You must have seen. So a balloon which always remains in spherical shape on inflation is being inflated, please take the problem correctly, is being inflated by pumping in in 900 cubic centimeters, pumping in 900 cubic centimeters per second, which is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters per second of gas. That means whatever it is, hydrogen, nitrogen, whatever it is, of gas. Find the rate at which bada problem bada uttu kanutte, but it is not so, it is not difficult. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. This is your textbook problem. When the radius is 15 centimeter. When the radius is find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is produced. Again I read. A balloon which always remains in spherical shape. And this PR, you should understand it is PR formula hakbeku. That's why I gave you all the formula in the beginning itself. Spherical shape anta kelidre, you should say it is PR. A balloon which always remains spherical shape on this PR on inflation. That means you have to pump air into that. Avaga is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter per second. Idile artha madkobeku. 900 cubic centimeter anta kotre given is dV by dt. Always it is volume. You should not area, it is volume, because cubic centimeter kottidane. Suppose if they give centimeter square athwa square centimeter anta kotre, it is area. This is one of the hint you should take. dV by dt is 900 cubic centimeter per second. dV by dt is 900 cubic centimeter per second. dV by dt kottidane. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increases. That means dr by dt is how much? That is to find out. This is to find out. When to find out dr how fast the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. R is 15 centimeter. See here, understood? ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ which you have to find out. That is very important in this problem. Given he is being inflated pumping 900 cubic centimeters per second, dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have to find out rate which the radius of the balloon increases, dr by dt ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. When the radius is 15 centimeter, when r is 15 centimeter, dr by dt is so much, then dV by dt is so much. You have to find out dr by dt. Which formula you will use? V is equal to, you know the formula, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, total sphere it is you know the formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. I gave you in the beginning itself. V is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this you have to differentiate with respect to, because you have to find out dr by dt, dv by dt, the r is the L is there. So now you have to find out dr by dt, differentiate with respect to t. Always I told you with respect to time. dV by dt is equal to 4/3 constant, pi constant to 3r square dr by dt. When you differentiate x cube, 3x square, 3r square implicit function into dr by dt. Because you are differentiating with respect to t, please understand this. What the exact formula you have to use is this: 4 by 3 pi r cube, differentiate with respect to t, dV by dt is 4 by 3 pi into 3r square dr by dt. 3 can be cancelled, or it is 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Substitute madi, 4 pi is there. What you have to substitute? R you don't know. R only you have to find out. No, R is given. dr by dt ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. dV by dt is 900. Put 900. 4 pi ಬರೀರಿ. R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. R also you write down 15 square. Into this you have to find out dr by dt. Please understand the problem here. dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You have to find out dr by dt. Now dr by dt is equal to 900 by 4 pi into 15 square is 225. So 15 square, 15 into 15, it is 225 by 4 pi. Now you can pi matra adhe tara idi, don't do anything about the pi. Pi you as it is. This 4, I think 4 times hogutta nodi inu, and whether it is correct. It is not 4 times, it won't go. Now it is 15, you can cancel. 15 5s are, 15 15s are, 15 1s are, yes, 15 7, 15 5s are, 15 6s are, 0. Correct? 15 into 6, how much? It is correct? Yes. 15 60s that goes, and 15, now it is 4. Correct? 225 into 4 times, how much? Yes, 4 times it goes. So 4 also cancels. So dr by dt is 1 by pi centimeter per second. This is very important. It is dr by dt is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Or you can say that here, understood? 225 4 also cancels. 1 by 5. You can say that, very important problem. This also you can expect this year. 2020, 21 also you can expect. Now you can say that what you can say is the radius is, find it with the radius of the balloon is increasing in the plus value at the rate of increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. Right? The radius is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. You have followed this? Very important problem. What they are given, you have to find out. What you have to find out, you should write. Same problem, one more you can take it. You will do a balloon which always remains in spherical in shape, same thing. On inflation is being inflated by pumping in, instead of 900, you can take by pumping in 1200 cubic centimeters, cubic centimeter per second of gas. 1200 cubic centimeter of gas. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is, you can take, when the radius is 21 centimeter. When the radius is 21 centimeter. So please change the figure. A balloon which always remains spherical in shape on inflation is being inflated by pumping into, this is the change, 1200 cubic centimeters of a gas. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is so much. So here you have to change R is equal to 21 centimeter. R is equal to 21 centimeter ಮಾಡಿ dV by dt ಎಲ್ಲ, this is cubic centimeter, 1200 centimeter cube per second ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. You have to find out dr by dt ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So I will do it here. To find out is dr by dt. Meter. So what you can do is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and dV by dt is 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square. So these are all constant into dr by dt. It is dr by dt 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square dr by dt. ಎಲ್ಲ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. See here dV by dt is given 1200. You have to find out dr by dt ಬೇಕು. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 into pi into 3, of course 4 by 3 pi r cube, it is 3 r square, and ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Yes, you can cancel. In fact 3 cancel ಮಾಡಿ 4 pi into r square. R is given 21 square into dr by dt. Or it is dr by dt is equal to 1200 by 4 pi into 21 into 20. 21 square and 20. See here carefully. 3 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And dv by dt is 1200 by 4 pi 21 into 21. You can cancel here. ಇಲ್ಲೇ cancel ಮಾಡಿ. You can cancel 3 sevens are 3 400, it goes. Now 400s it goes here. First one 3 400 3 7, then 4 here 400 it goes. Now it is 100 by multiply ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು 147 pi. It is 147 pi centimeter per second. You should write centimeter per second, and you can write that radius is increasing at the rate of radius is increasing at the rate of 100 by 147 pi centimeter. Radius ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರೀ centimeter per second. 147 pi centimeter per second ಅಂತ you have to keep the answer. Okay, one more problem, and ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can also take down same problem ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can practice it in the house. A balloon always which remains spherical in shape is being inflated by pumping into the air. You can take 1500 cubic centimeters. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1500 cubic centimeters per second. Change that being inflated by dV by dt change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1500 cubic centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is, you can take down, when the radius is 28 centimeter. You can take down 28 centimeter. When the radius is 28 centimeter. Plus. Take when the radius is, and next class we should take some more problem. A balloon a balloon which always remains spherical in shape, which always remain spherical in shape, spherical and sphere and spherical in shape, take down correctly, a balloon which always remains spherical in shape has a variable radius, has a variable, and the variable is r instead of x, it is variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing find the rate at which its volume is increasing with radius, nobody, please underline this, when the volume is increasing with, please underline this, with radius, when later is 10 centimeter, when later and the radius, when the later is, later means when the later radius is, later and the e part, when the later is 10 centimeter. Take down your textbook problem, and I think we'll do this and close it. So, a balloon which always remains spherical in shape has a variable radius. Find the rate at which the volume is increasing with respect to radius. We told you many times, volume is increasing with respect to time always. But unless it is specified, here it is specified, what is he asking is to find out which volume is increasing with radius. He is telling with radius. That means dV by dr ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. It is not dV by dt. It is dV by dr. Of course, when later is 10 centimeter andre, what you should write, given ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, given is r is 10, later andre ಇದು radius is 10 centimeter, r is 10 centimeter. To find out is dV by dr. We have to find out with respect to radius. He says dV by dr. I told you with respect to time andre dV by dt, ಆಗ dr by dt ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. But dr by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ andre we have to find out with respect to radius. Now you know the formula, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to r, not with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to r. R it is dV by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi constant 3r square. That's all. With respect to r adinde dr by dr anta bariyadekagiಲ್ಲ. With respect to time ಆದರೆ you should write dr by dt 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. So it is 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. That is okay. Now 3 cancelled. It is 4 pi r square. R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 10 centimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. It is 4 pi into 10 centimeter. ಏನಿದೆ 10 square. R it is 100 400 pi. ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, very important, 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter, because with respect to radius, not time. Centimeter cube per second ಅಲ್ಲ, you should write centimeter cube per second. So you can write volume is increasing with radius at the rate of, take down, at the rate of 40 pi not 40, 400 pi, ಆ pi ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, centimeter cube per centimeter. This is very important, because with respect to per second ಅಂತ ಬರೆದರೆ you will lose 1 mark. It is with respect to centimeter itself, centimeter cube with respect to centimeter. This is the one. So a balloon which always remains spherical in shape, has a variable radius, find the rate at which its volume is increasing with radius with radius when later is 10 centimeter. This is the problem. Take the problem. One more you can practice it and just give you. Now here you can take the same problem. A balloon which always remains spherical in shape. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with radius when the later is 15 centimeter. When the later is 15 centimeter. Okay. Please take down. The later is same thing. dV by dt can and V there, R there, and you are going to find out 400 pi cube centimeter. Okay. One more also you can take. Find the rate of increase of. Please practice. Find the rate of increase of area of a circle when the radius is 12 centimeter and radius increasing when the radius increasing at the rate of increasing with radius increasing at the rate of 2.5 centimeter per second. 2.5 centimeter per second. So he is asking rate of increase of area and you know A is equal to pi r square circle R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ and dr by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. You have to find out A is equal to pi r square ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and I think that may be enough. Surface area of this spheres and all those things we should take it tomorrow and we shall try to take it. Okay. So do 3-4 problems like given this one more there and other thing. Please do it. We should all know volumes, areas, spheres and